Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be guiding you on how to get a Moniepoint POS machine for your business. Just follow this process. First thing to do is to create a business account. If you have one, you are good to go. But if you don't have one, you can watch one of our videos and follow the steps. So if you don't have one, what you do is go to your browser and search for Moniepoint. So it will suggest for you, then you click on Moniepoint, then you tap into their website, moniepoint.com. So once you have this, all you have to do is click on business. You can see there are several options. You have the business and you have the personal. So since you're on the business page, what you have to do is open an account and you follow the prompt. By opening an account, you need to provide a lot of things: your phone number, your active phone number, a valid government issue ID card, your BVN, your proof of address to verify your identity, and also you need to provide your CAC business document as well. So once you have done that, what you have to do is make sure your business names matches well with what you have on your document. So once you have done that and you have successfully opened your account, what you do is log in and request a terminal. Access your business dashboard. Then you navigate to the POS menu under channels. You see several menus. Just click on channels and click request new POS. So once you have clicked that, you select the POS terminal model that best suits your daily transactions volume. Then you fund the account and pay the fees. There is a certain amount that you need to pay to get a POS. So what you do is deposit the required amount directly into your business account to cover the terminal, caution, logistics, and insurance costs. But then you receive and activate your POS. A dedicated Moniepoint relationship manager will deliver the machine to your business location within 48 hours. Then guide you through the activation and train you on how to use it. With all of these steps, easily you have gotten your POS machine. So thank you for watching and best of luck growing your business. Have a wonderful day.